Guys, welcome back to Mumbai Katta channel. This is me, your holistic mentor Archana Tavre from Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Okay, so अगर ऐसा नमूना कहीं दिखा नहीं होगा आपको यही चैनल पे दिखेगा. So yeah guys, how are you? Okay, let me know what's your mood. ओके मुझे बहुत लोगों ने यूट्यूब पे मैसेजेस किए हैं पर्सनल रीडिंग के लिए एंड मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी कुछ पर्सनल रीडिंग के लिए मैसेजेस आए हैं. सो या बिफोर दिस एक्चुअली टुडेज दिस इज़ अ शॉर्ट वीडियो फॉर my subscribers. So let me tap into your energy, guys. What's happening? Oh my god, cancer season is just 7 days. It's just 7 days afar. Oh my god, away, and I'm super excited. I'm already feeling this energy. So yeah, kindly excuse me because I am I'm dealing with a lot of throat infection these days, and yeah, so random videos लेके आ रही हूँ. Can you imagine? It's a 414 on the clock right now. So go and Google it. What is this number? Telling you the guidance from the universe. Okay. So yeah, I'm feeling a lot. आज मेरा, and I'm very much happy today because I got my periods after So I'm very lucky to have periods and lucky to be a woman. Okay, because woman is the most complicated creature in this world. Yeah, so yeah, let's tap into your energy, guys. Already one card fallen out, so I'm taking it out. Okay, so this whole video is English. Okay, is only in English because yeah, a lot of my foreigner clients, okay, a lot of my foreigner viewers, they are like asking me to put up English reading as well, and I'm very glad to connect with you on social media, Instagram, Facebook. I'm getting a lot of foreigners request. Yeah, thank you so much. Soon I am going to visit your country, hopefully, because my target is to at least visit 10 countries before my marriage. I don't know, the marriage card is all the so yeah, oh my god, what are the energies, guys? क्या चल क्या रहा है guys तुम लोगों का? I don't understand. So whatever the energies I am picking up from the collective, I'm going to so let me just adjust my cards, okay, on my laptop because I don't have a table. I wanted to, oh my god, before I am shuffling, the love energies are here. So no worries, give me one moment because I'm adjusting. Yeah, so yeah, tell me how I'm looking. Okay, I don't believe makeup shake-up and all, and I'm honestly telling you, I thrown out entire makeup kit out of my house, and I did not use for last 2 years almost. Okay, so yeah, I'm decluttering my house, and this is a collective reading, guys, so please be aware. You should, because I am getting a lot of spiritual messages from Lord Shiva as well. Okay, so I'm picking up on my foreigners, NRI, specifically NRI foreigners, those who are somewhat way attached to Indian land. Okay, yeah, Dharti Ma is calling you out. I don't know why I'm this spiritual card, the Hierophant card, is giving me the vibes because a lot of NRIs watching me out here from London, New Zealand, USA, Canada. Okay, yeah, Dubai, and Singapore, Malaysia. I'm also sensing Egypt vibes here. I don't know why. Whenever I sat for channeling, I started uneasy, and because this is a spiritual stuff. Give me one moment, guys. I'm adjusting my back as I'm I got my periods just few hours before. Okay, so I need to declutter and cleanse my energies after this readings because this is heavy stuff. I told my my mentor YSR also, like even though I'm doing a lot of NLP healing, neuro-linguistic healing on myself, but I'm picking up on people's energies over here past few months, and specifically my my divine masculine is very stressed and giving me a lot of anxiety and burdens. Okay, lot of anxiety and burdens unnecessarily, which is not in my hand. Okay, but I'm telling you, I'm picking up on this collective energy over here, guys. What's going on? Somebody, okay, and this is in fact me, some in my recent past, but I just let go of the all fears and I just surrender to the God, and this is my godly card. Guys, you need to surrender. I'm telling you guys, okay? This is your mentor, okay? Archana Taure. And whatever I speak the truth, okay? And this is a divine channeling, okay? Somebody at workplace is heavily burdened. Don't know which path to go. That's the reason Two of Swords card came out here. One moment. Yeah, Two of Swords card came out here strongly. You don't know which path to go. Why are you so stressed and inside your head? Somebody out here has a strongly Two of Swords, Lovers card, two people, okay? Two of Swords, 222. You might be seeing 222 a lot in someone else's story or in my story Instagram, because I also had, yeah, have you seen? Oh my god, paranormal activities live. My tube light is blinking, okay? This is my crown chakra, okay? This portal is, and this, third eye chakra is highly in tune with the universe, okay? Sometimes I vibed with 8-dimensional, and I'm not kidding. Literally, I saw snakes on my body. Literally, I saw Lord Shiva in my dreams. Okay, I all the time sees Shivalingam because I'm a Lord Shiva devotee, and Lord Shiva and Parvati. Yeah, this is my Shiva Parvati card, twin flame card, high soulmate vibrational card. Okay, guys, I'm telling you this message from directly coming from a Lord Shiva. Do not stress over your divine connection. If you are, engaged or indulge yourself in love relationship, and you both are highly telepathically communicating with each other, yeah, there is a distance between two of you. Love reading again came up here, okay? मैं लव रीडिंग में आऊँगी बाद में, लेकिन फिलहाल मैं देख रही हूँ करियर में कोई तो बहुत, I think these are two divine, some group over here who is a divine masculine, means what? You are divinely guided by the spirit, the upper realm, okay? You are divinely guided by the Lord Shiva, okay? And higher powers, whomever you are belongs to, okay? Jesus, Mary, okay? I'm sensing also your Greek god, Egyptian gods, African people over here who are watching me from fake accounts or stranger people, okay? I'm telling you, your kul deities, your gods, your deities, your ancestral deities are watching you from the heaven very strongly. They are telling you, please drop this burden, because this card came reverse also, okay? So I am going to I told spirit that please guide me to give you this message urgently. I'm not mad and crazy to do readings, at 4:14 a.m., okay? So yeah, somebody is working like hell, putting their ass like constantly to and holding, stability. Money mindset problem, okay? Holding that things will, go away. No. This is a wrong beliefs about money, wrong beliefs about mindset, money mindset. You need to change and drop down this burden ASAP. I'm using DS word. Go away from my energy, DS. Gosh, I could. So yeah, somebody is holding tightly onto divine connection. This is your destiny. Or somebody is holding onto their excess, which is a toxic, okay? This is keeping you stuck. I'm strongly hearing right now, release your ex. If you want to move ahead in your life and get attracted your destined true twin flame or a true soulmate connection, a true perfect vibrational match, you need to come out of this two mindset, two-headed situation. Yeah, drop down the burden. Yeah, okay, do not hold back. Do not hold. Somebody is holding back from an intense love. Okay, either you are feeling it or cross watcher, whoever is coming from, to rectify the emotions and feelings for your spouse or for your life partner or for your own divine crush. Okay, this is you or your spouse or you are okay. The opposite party, please take what resonate, okay? This situation might not be resonate with each and everyone because 8 billion population out there, yeah? So if you are here watching my channel, that means there is something spiritual connection between you and me, okay? And this is meant for you. This message is meant for you. If you are liking that person on social media, and no communication, no contact, nothing, you need to associate some kind of association, some kind of initiation, okay? You cannot be stuck in this mindset, okay? What if she rejects me? Because I am strongly sensing a inferiority, excuse me. Okay, so somebody is feeling your like lack of self-esteem, lack of courage. You need to come out of this zone, man. You cannot, okay? Yeah, so yeah, you need to put your ass down in this divine connection. Do not just, somebody is over here who is distracting themselves a lot by working super hard. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. This won't go anyway. Okay, so please, the divine is calling you out, the universe showing you heavy bombarding of signs and synchronicity of that person name, or of that person image, or of that person of characteristic that person is holding. The, for example, I am having curly hair, and if you have a crush on some Afro Nigerian people are also watching me, or UK people or another country people watching me, if you are having crush on some curly hair girl, fair girl, you will be seeing lot of curly hair girls around you. If you're having a crush on person like me, Archana, for example, I'm telling you, for example, don't get serious and don't get misinterpreted by me, okay? Please, I have very crystal clear intention to guide you, just to give you example, okay? So that Archana name will appear 20 to 100 times a day randomly onto your social media. You can get Archana name 100 requests one day just to capture your attention from the universe, or the randomly you will see Archana hotel names or restaurants names, or okay, somebody you can hear Archana from somebody else's mouth all of a sudden randomly. This is the universe is telling you that somebody like waiting for you out there for that specific name, okay? So if you are denying this connection, ignoring it, and desperately burdening yourself, not sleeping in the night, thinking that what the past has done with you will again repeat in the future, no, this won't create a good manifestation result. You are hampering your own growth. Light has just flickered. Have you seen that? Damn, my spirits are all around here. Yeah. So yeah, you need to drop down the guard. You don't need to hold back. You need to ask the commitment, or you need to show the committed efforts towards your own divine connection. Okay? Yeah, I'm feeling lot of heaviness on my chest. जैसे ही मैंने स्टार्ट किया चैनलिंग, या Archangel Michael, my spirit guys, please tell me. Lord Shiva, please tell me. Lord Parvati, please tell me. Okay? Yeah. Okay? This is your ultimate happiness, guys. Go and watch out my other divine feminine and divine masculine separate readings. If you're a single, loosely coupled, or dating somebody, or having crush on somebody, this is divine talking to you. Yeah? Cancer, this is my Cancer card. Whoever you are dealing with has a strong sun placement or a moon placement in Cancer zodiac, or in a water signs zodiac, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio heavily. Second priority, second majorly I'm sensing Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, definitely, or a Taurus or a Aries. Again Aries comes here, Taurus comes here again. Yeah, 8 of Pentacles, my Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn card. Lover is my Gemini card. Confirmation. Sorry, excuse me for my burps and apologies, but no apologies because this is spirit confirms me. This is your ultimate happiness. You need to go forward and ask her, will you marry me? Or ask him, confess the truth that you are in madly love with him or her. And this is not a coincidence. thinking so many years, thinking about that person 24/7 for past few months or few years. You are extremely going into this nightmares, sleepless nights. This is spiritual awakening. I wonder if tower card did not came out, but I'm sensing tower card over here, and it will come out. I'm also sensing ace of swords. I'm also sensing three of cups there. Okay, fine, sorry for my lingo. Okay, some person asked me for third party. This is the thing, third party drama. I'm going to come, okay, in that way also. Okay, if your person is dealing with third party or not. So whoever is looking forward to, this is your near future. This is very fast, because I'm sensing 8 of wands in my third eye right now. Yeah, give me one moment, guys. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm just adjusting. Yeah, ouch. Give me one moment, guys. I'm sorry. I'm adjusting my pillows because I'm suffering through back pain a lot past few months and 2 years. Yeah, might be your divine counterpart is working heavily inside gym and also at his workplace, because I'm sensing that if your divine feminine is in the health practitioner professions like wellness coaching, NLP healing, Reiki healing, or some kind of a healing profession, her anxiety easily or her negativity you can easily pick up. Okay, this is what I'm sensing. Yeah, see, naam liya or divine feminine hazir. Okay, fine. I'm again going to this Queen of Pentacles. I'm again going to back into the deck. Okay, and I want to know whoever is dealing singles love. Okay, love prediction. Is their partner dealing with third party? Now here, remember, third party means could be a work situation. He or she is giving a priority to their work first and then you. Okay, third party could be finances, collaboration, stuck in finances, collaboration with some business partners, and that's the reason he or she is not able to take further action towards you right now. Okay, temporary. Yeah, give me one moment, guys, because this is I'm getting a lot of messages. Yeah, okay, so give me one moment, guys. What the hell? Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, whatever, night mode mein chala gaya. Okay, fine. So yeah, so guys, I'm asking divine card for not, let me take. Yeah, this is destined. Okay, that person will definitely, and your future is very bright. I'm sensing 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups over here. Can you imagine 10 of Pentacles, the fucking generational wealth? The fucking generational wealth. You two are going to build up this castle, this palace, this houses. I'm saying many realty estate properties going to build up together. Ultimate happiness. This dog, you're going to buy a new dog or adopt a new dogs. Also, I'm sensing there is a senior citizens sitting behind them. Yeah, this is ultimate happiness. You will find a new in-laws family who are equally supporting you, like your future spouse. They are happy. Some property, a big property win is going to happen inside your favor, towards your favor. Okay, guys, July season. Okay, these next 2 months, July, August. Okay, and also June month, already retrograde happened in Saturn. In Mercury has gone, Saturn is retrograding. So yeah, please take advantage of this big card. Congratulations. Damn, I claimed this reading. Why? Because this is my card, Sagittarian. Okay, so if you're a moon sign Sagittarian, boom, okay, this coming 2 years, I'm sensing 2 to 3 years will be lot of good fortune for you, because आपकी 7.5 your Saturn is returning into your chart in the year of 2025 around. Okay, I started reading astrology also, so I'll be giving you short tips and hints towards my entire reading as per numerology. Also, you guys are my viewers. You guys are randomly watching 10:10 on the clock, 11:11 on the car's numbers plate, or 3333. 333 is a divine ultimate number. Okay, this is my, and you could be a life path number 3, or you born on number 3, or your total number addition destiny number is 3. Okay, I'm sensing a lot of 3 energy vibes here. Okay, 3 of Pentacles ka card I just saw. I wonder if that not comes. So yeah, congratulations guys, do not hold back. This season is, if you are holding back, this wheel of fortune is turning like, you know, like a clock. So if the time has passed, everything has gone. Okay, because I'm sensing some divine masculines and some divine feminine. Give me one moment. Okay, some divine masculines and some divine feminines. Okay, give me one moment guys. Okay, yeah. Okay, oops, again fallen down. Okay, so some kind of a disruption is happening between you guys, connection, which is a third party, and I want to sense what is this third party. Yeah, I want to sense what is this third party here. Okay, who is coming between two of you. Okay, either it is a work or a female or another male. What kind of a situation? Take what resonated. Okay, so Lord Shiva wants to tell you that focus on your divine connection, focus on your self healing, focus on your priorities. What makes you prior? See, it's all about love reading. Yeah, yeah. Queen of Swords, definitely कोई थर्ड पार्टी है यहाँ पर. Okay, for some of you, your spouse has dealt with his or her ex. Okay, or a divorce situation. If it is a divorce situation, then definitely that person, because if this card comes like this, or this card Queen of Swords negative traits is like she is a highly narcissistic. Okay, he or she, whatever in your case. Okay, energies are energies, gender specific, no gender specific. Yeah, so your spouse can be a very harsh, very mean, very selfish in the past, or you could be dealt with a narcissistic gold digger. Okay, who wants everything himself or herself only. Take, no reciprocation, no 6 of Pentacle card over here. No generosity, no compassion, no reciprocation. Yeah, my head is spinning right now guys, and whenever my crown chakra like tingles, it like only this part. Okay, only this part. I have to, you know, open my hair because this is tingling here, only this part. Okay, because the divine channeling is bombarding onto my head, and my head is spinning a lot since I met my twin flame. Yeah, so yeah, 5 of Swords, what I told you is absolutely right. You have, if you have not divorced and dealing with the divorce situation, know that you are doing correct. Okay, this is my home and stability card, my marriage card. Definitely this Queen of Swords, there is a third party going on, or somebody in your connection. I'm highly sensing it. Yeah, the Death card. Yeah. Okay, your divine connection or your spouse. See, there is no coincidence, every time happens. 2 of Cups. I have, guys, hold, give me 1 second, because I'm channeling a lot of energies over here. If you have not connected me on my Instagram, then you are skipping a lot of good stuff. Okay, because I always mentioned in my stories. I recently, yesterday itself, I mentioned like 2 of Cups and 2 of the Lovers and 2 of Cups card coming out of desperately, falling out desperately. And I saw a ring. Okay, engagement ring. Okay, the engagement ring status also story few days back. Okay, this is a confirmation. Your divine counterpart, your divine soulmate wants to take a leap of faith towards you. Okay, he wants to put the actions. Okay, definitely wants to build a legacy with you, because he or she understand that you are good luck to him or her. You are divinely connection to him or her. You are destined partner. You are his happy-go-lucky person or her happy-go-lucky person. You are his soulmate or twin flame. Okay, he is now understanding this connection. Yeah, and coming out of the cold. मैंने यहाँ पर देखा है, and I'm noticing that many divine feminine holding back. Okay, that's the reason your divine masculine is crying. He's feeling this lack because you have gone. Point blank period. If he is holding back, then divine feminine also feeling the same energy to do action. So please be mindful, my divine masculines and my divine feminines over here who are watching me. You are energetically pulling and pushing away your soulmate. Okay, this happens in twin flame runner and chaser game. This is very common to me because I understood this connection very well, more than my divine masculine. He's duffer. He's cute panda. Okay, so similarly your divine masculine, I'm telling you guys what happens in divine connection, in a spiritual connection. You both are married already before you born. I'm telling you this. You both are husband and wife in the fifth dimension. Okay, why this camera is not focusing? Focus. Okay, so yeah, so some kind of a delay or some kind of a disruption is but obvious in any kind of a high spiritual vibrational match. Okay, you are not meant for 8 billion people. You cannot marry 8 billion people. Come on. This is a common sense. You are one of a kind, and so you are perfect match. Okay, so self healing and self awareness is highly important. Okay, let me tell you, let me share, because I am into journaling as well. Okay, the quick guidance for my youngsters who doesn't know, because many my subscribers doesn't know about law of attraction. Okay, and don't know how to manifest and attract good things and attract what is the destined for them. Yeah, oh my white hair. That's okay, fine. Yeah, so these are some love letters I sent to universe. This is only 2. This is just a piece because I wrote in 2019. Okay, you can see here. I don't know, camera focus, damn. Okay, I am going to put this letter when I wanted to show all the letters into my own written book, and also on Josh Talk, TEDx Talk. Okay, bade platform. Okay, many platforms in future when I will share my journey, specifically my marriage journey, my twin flame journey. Then I am going to show people like these letters. I have almost burnt out on the gas, on the cylinder. Okay, I'm on the flames. Okay, gas cylinder flames. Okay, almost 4 written notebooks out of a frustration. Okay, out of a frustration, and this happened in 2020. Okay, I resigned from the love, this concept of marriage. I have convinced myself there is no love exists out there for me, there is no perfect match for me, because I was attracting and I was hungry to meet my own soul reflection. Okay, my mirror. Okay, my perfect vibrational higher match, my own twin flame. And I was resisted I am not dating last so many years to any man. Once I did the mistake, universe pulls me back. Okay, saying this is not your person. Why are you wasting your time and gathering bad karma? Because if that person feels attraction towards you by after dating, that means that person is getting love vibes from you, or that person caught up the feeling for you, then that is going to be bad karma if you are not committing to that person. Yeah, the third party XYZ person. That's the reason I'm living very simple life. I'm keeping myself away from all the all the love proposals. I'm damn having a lot of proposals. Sometimes I torn between 2 choices, 3 choices. Like, this is my divine masculine who is not understanding this connection, who is not taking action towards me. Sometimes I got question mark on my divine connection, and then I look forward, and then I look in different scenarios in a positive and magical in a logical way, that if my twin flame, and this happens in the twin flame relationship, there are few percent of twin flames out there, soulmates out there, who has left their divine destined connection and married with somebody else. Okay, I'm giving you the best example. Hrithik Roshan and Suzanne Khan are fucking twin flames. So yeah, the temporary pause comes. Okay, and if it is not in their hand, because twin flame journey is very roller coaster, it is not a simplest thing. It is a highly transformative journey, and take it as a positively. Okay, do not label, as so many people out there labeling, like, oh my god, twin flame, runner chaser game. Yeah, it is a runner chaser game. It is like hurting. If one person is hurting, another person is hurting double, in the double way. And physically also, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, everything is like, disturbance. Today I attended my NLP session in YSR Academy, okay, in my Super Coach Academy, okay. I'm not in Super Coach program, though I'm still learning NLP, new things. He gave perfect example. When the new bridge started constructing a new bridge for transportation, then everything gets disturbed. The more traffic you can see near the bridge area only, where the construction is happening, the noise pollution, air pollution, lot of things, till the bridge has completely formed. Yeah, till that period of time, everybody, this 2 to 3 years, everybody will go, everybody will hurt, everybody will have to go through that noise pollution, air pollution. But once the bridge formed, okay, what happens? Everything is going, yeah, the worries, tension, the traffic, everything goes away. The similar thing happens in transformation journey. Each and everybody has to undergo some kind of a harsh transformation. You cannot run away from your own divine connection, your own divine transformation. Yeah, so understand things. Whatever you manifest, it's a partially, I'm telling you, the law of attraction channels out there are booming in the market. I'm telling you the fucking truth, okay. Law of attraction does not support each and everybody. Even though you put your 100%, even though you are positive 100%, even though you, every single written line in this love letter for my future spouse in the universe, I told last 5 years I'm doing it. But I'm still not manifested my own divine connection. I just saw him, but we have not married yet. I'm single. This is my self-engaged ring. Don't get fooled. So yeah, you cannot marry another guy, because divine will not allow you to settle down with another guy or a girl. Yeah, lot of turmoils. Yeah, so I'm telling you, I'm going to my channel is about law of attraction, manifestation, positive things. I'm telling you, subconscious mind and unconscious mind both works hard together, hand in hand. Okay, so your mind should be absolutely clear what you want in life. Okay, you're doing 9 to 5 job and you're like writing like entrepreneur, I'm a successful businessman. No, I have these awards. No, this won't come into your life unless and until you are putting action towards a perfect right path, aligned for you, destined for you. Yeah, got my point? I hope you got my point. Yeah, when I was in my IT corporate journey, okay, but I was side hustling 16 years of my life. At the age of 16, I started my own business, part-time business with education, because I was super clear over here. Like, I want to be in a Forbes 40, a super business tycoon, holistic mentor. But that time I was not aware of this holistic word, this mentor word. A simple coaching and an entrepreneur, itna hi pata tha. That's it. Yeah, but how this 13 years, 14 years, 15 years of my hard work, universe finally aligned the path with my future spouse. And I was shocked to see him like on the stage, or I was shocked to see him like with the same divine, with the same joint mission and soul mission. Yeah, you cannot escape what's meant for you. Divine and universe will always collide your path with each other. If you are meant, check your horoscope, check your birth chart, check your astrology planets, where those belongs to. If marriage has not written your star, then it won't meant for you. I'm telling you, do not daydream or rely upon me, Archana Tavre's word that she told this. No, there are some twin flames, okay, or there are some people who has their bad karma debt from past life. They have hurt their twin flame or their future their spouse in their past life very miserably. That's the reason curses carry on this lifetime, and this lifetime they have to suffer single-handedly. I'm telling you, Okay, in my past life, my spouse has left me in middle of the journey because he was entertaining the third party, his karmic soulmate. Yeah, the narcissistic person, the gold diggers, because he was the star in the media and public. And in this lifetime also he's a celebrity, and I was also celebrity in my past lifetime as a spiritual teacher, just like a Sadguru. Okay, who is doing it, the Isha Yogi Foundation owner, the founder. Yeah, so you attract only your divine match in any which lifetime you travel, or God gave you so many lifetimes. Whatever lifetime you hit with your divine spouse only, nobody else. It is up to your hand. It is a free will. I'm telling, I know that my divine masculine is watching this video, I know that, okay, intuitively, but I'm telling everybody out there, okay, if the connection, okay, the spiritual connection is always from the two ways, is always from the two-way communication. One side, fuck all the one side love never exists in a spiritual connection. Okay, the spark, the one side, the love at first sight in the divine connection takes place is from both parties. Okay, 69 number is a twin flame number, is a soul connection number. Yeah, yin and yang, both are half part of each other. Okay, so both will be feeling at the same time, both are going to read each other minds through just one glance. Yeah, so do not get fooled that this is one side love. Many people like, I got a love from my, I got a strong crush on my this person. Okay, she's my twin flame. How would you confine this to she's your twin flame or soulmate or divine future spouse? No, if she is also or he is also agreeing with the same connection, divine will, universe will show his or her name 100 times a day on your social media or randomly everywhere. That's where you will understand why this synchronicity and symbols you are seeing from the higher powers, because higher powers are aligning the future with both of you together. Yeah, and once you eye to eye contact done with your future spouse, your soulmate or your twin flame, boom, you cannot move ahead to another girl or another boy. Never, I'm telling you. Many people have tried. In fact, I myself few times tried to walk away, but it will not happen. God will not let this happen. Yeah, so it is very strong divine connection. Please do not get fooled that you are in a twin flame journey or you are in a soulmate journey. No, there are some common people also watching my channel. You are living 9 to 5 job wala common life. You don't have a big dreams, or you cannot sacrifice your own self needs. That's absolutely okay. Everybody is selfish, okay, but everybody is not a light worker. Everybody is not a healer. Everybody is not empathetic. Everybody is not a twin flame or soulmate. Everybody is not a high level social worker who put themselves into the risk, who put themselves into the problems because to serve the humanity. And everybody is not like that. That's the reason only 5% people are succeed and gain the popularity or doing some kind of a high level social work, and they got famous because divine has the powers. Divine has already given them a power to do the healing and to do the service. Yeah, and they have got to a lot of pain. That's the reason they are emerging out like a phoenix rises from the ashes. Yeah, so it is not a easy thing to be on this journey. Yeah, this is a soul shaking journey. Damn, last 5 years I'm not able to sleep at night because I'm constantly picking up on, since childhood I'm picking up on his energies. But later on I came to know, and he's also understanding now. Yeah, so this is just all about spiritual awakening, maturity, growing together, okay, in this connection, understanding wisdom, gaining more and more wisdom. Yeah, so this is not a childish game. So please be mindful. This is a higher vibrational soul level connection. And if it is not if you are not in this journey, it's absolutely okay. No judgment, no offense. Yeah, my intention is to just aware you what kind of a twin flame and soulmate relationships are there, okay, and a normal higher level of perfection, a perfect vibrational match which you can attract for yourself. Okay, and I'm telling you, everybody has on this entire planet, I'm telling you, okay, everybody has their own soulmate. Your dog, your parents, your siblings, your best friends, your co-worker, your colleagues, your boss. If you are having a soul level bond with them, you can discuss anything damn with them open mindedly. You love each other, okay, unconditionally. That is your soulmate, and it is again two-way communication, two-way exchange, okay, not one-sided. Okay, so if I am, I'm a healer, okay, you're watching this channel for what? Because you are getting healing by looking at my face, by listening my voice, by gaining wisdom from me, yeah, by getting guidance from me. That means you and me were partially somewhere interlinked in the our past life. Yeah, that's the reason you are here. Many people in my social media, please go and find out me on my Instagram. The link the link is below in this description. If you are foreigners, yeah, newcomers, please welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much, and find me on Instagram, and let's connect and grow community over there so that I can tap into your energies. And many people on Instagram tell me like they have seen me somewhere in Mumbai itself. Now there is no connection that I visited Delhi. I never visited Delhi in India. I never visited certain countries, certain cities, never. But still people from that region coming and telling me, ma'am, I saw you somewhere. I have constant strong feeling and pull towards you, to watch you and to read your blogs, and constantly feeling this connection by looking at your photos that we met somewhere. This is what? This is a soulmate connection. Yeah. Understood now? I hope you got my point. Okay, soulmate connection is not just a lover's connection. It's not just husband-wife connection. No, soulmate can be best friend. Soulmate can be a business partner. When I saw DS and YSR together, I always see they are the soulmates, bichde hue bhai from Kumbh Ka Mela. They are like, I feel like my mentors. Both are business partners, and both are I'm into their academy. So both are, I always feels like Ram Lakshman Jodi. Okay, both I'm always feels like they are like soulmate, high vibrational soulmate together. Okay, so this is how, no matter what turmoil hits, what challenges hits in your relationship, you always, soulmate always come back to each other. Okay, they never separated. In twin flame they got separated also for a time being, but they again come back. Okay, fine. So yeah, there are some unfinished business from past life you carry always to this lifetime. And if this lifetime also you carried the same unfinished business, unfinished symphony between you and your any friend, any person whom you love a lot, okay, if you have not expressed, this unfinished business will transfer to next lifetime again. Then next burden again, the same burden goes to next, the same challenges goes to next lifetime, and then again you wasted that half lifetime to just to deal with it, heal with it, okay, those challenges. Yeah, so please do not waste the time in looking out in others' life. Instead you gain wisdom, what is going inside your heart, what is going inside your mind, what is going inside your soul. I'm very proud of my culture, Indian culture. Who invented meditation? The ultimate yogi, the ultimate creature of Srishti, the creature of nature, Lord Shiva. And that's the reason I'm here, to give you the message from his behalf. Yeah, I strongly pulled last 2 to 3 days since this Monday, because I create Shivalingam, small Shivalingam every Monday. Past few years, almost 5-6 years, past few years, like to devote my devotion, okay, to Lord Shiva and Parvati. Okay, so I always make Shivaling, but this time I misplaced due to some my health issues. But Shiva came into, okay, Lord Shiva, Bholenath came into my dreams, showing me Shivalingam temples, with Jyotirling temples, which I am strong in my to-do list. People have wondered, like when they saw me in fashion sense, okay, they saw me in fashion avatar, in my fashionable clothes and all, that this girl is so spiritual. They wondered, but no, since age 3 I am doing Monday upasana, the Monday fasting vrat, okay, fasting day since age 3. Can you believe? That culture is in there in my bloodline. Yeah, this is soul calling. Me and my future spouse were a Lord Shiva devotee in past many lifetimes, many. Okay, that's the reason the same devotion carried away in the every lifetime. Okay, and this is no coincidence. If you are calling out certain places like Greece is calling me a lot. I don't know why. Egypt is calling me a lot. Some Africa, South Africa, San Francisco countries are calling me a lot. That's city. Okay, then European, that I don't know. I think I saw Italy or Rome. That monument museum. Okay, that I'm very attracted to the ancient great history of India. Okay, and warlike, I always dreamed, I'm queen of wands. That's the reason in my past lifetime I was a warrior, I was a freedom fighter. Okay, I was a great queen or king in my past life. Okay, that's the reason, the fire signs are what? Sagittarians. You see most of the kings and queens are fire sign, majorly fire sign. Okay, there are certain group of twin flames and certain group of soulmates who has assigned the duty from divine a different duties. My duty is to speak the truth, to uncover the hidden truths, whether it's a deception, whether it's a crime, whether it's a murder cases, whether it's any negative thing. Because I work with not just archangel, I work with the Greek. How would I tell you now? Because I am struggling with the words. Yeah, I work with the demons. Many people get scared. Right now there are 2 demons, 2 devils in my house. Yeah, go and Google out Archangel Lucifer. You will scared to even read his YouTube page. He has a lot of videos, or lot of videos about his journey on YouTube. Yeah, Hanged Man, again judgment card. This is second time judgment card came in front of you. This is the angel. This is the angel. I told you. Yes, spirit, come through. Spirit, come through. Yeah. Whatever the heck word comes out of my mouth, dealing with anybody, giving the guidance or normal conversation, it has to be truth. If I don't speak truth, God punishes me. I cannot sleep at the night. I cannot eat the food. I hurt myself. I kick out myself. Because my soul is meant so pure by God that I have to walk this journey that I chosen in 8 billion. And I know what kind of a challenges and criticism I need to face off in near future. But because I'm very strong. God made me that way in the strong by dealing with lot of my million challenges. Okay, today I just laugh and sometimes I feel like the people who are age of 35, 45, 65, they are going through spiritual awakening moments which I had in my 20s. So I'm so lucky and fortunate, and giving many thanks and gratitude to the universe that in early age itself my journey was super tough to learn this ancient wisdom so that I can be successful spiritual teacher in this lifetime too. I was a high priestess, I was a nun, I was a Christian in my recent past lifetime. Yeah, I got married to the okay, I'm telling my story. I got married to a super seductive hero, okay, in my past lifetime. He was a European hero. Okay, he was into Hollywood industry. He got died due to his own drug addiction, alcohol addiction, and also some kind of a heartbreak due to me. Okay, my past lifetime soul. This is my journey. Okay, I have 26,000 past lifetimes. Can you believe this? I'm speaking the truth because the angels are present here. Yeah, I have many past lifetimes. 8 of wands, and as a fire sign only. This is fucking damn truth. And this lifetime also heavy fire sign in my chart. Okay, and my divine masculine is also has a lion tattoo on his body. He's also Shiva Bhakta, like me. We are mirror souls. Okay, damn, whatever because my journey is also associated with his journey, right? I'm tapping into past life regression test, which is like, getting divine dreams. Like, what was my past life, talent, so that I can pursue this lifetime. And I do not want to waste my time anymore, yeah? And I'm telling my divine masculine also, do not waste the time, yeah? Because life is precious, damn. My hands are like, shaking right now, guys. And I'm into my tears right now. Because I got weird dreams. Such a fucking dreams that nobody able to have a courage to speak up on the stage. I might get into trouble to speak up the truth, but I know that divine is working behind the scene. Everybody says that SSR hung up himself. No. Sushant Singh Rajput was murdered and he was coming into my dreams. Yeah, because he was a Shiva Bhakt. He was a divine masculine. He has not met his twin flame. Yeah. Because of his past life, karma. And his birth chart also saying that he will be, 34 years only. His lifespan was the 34 years only. If he was getting, rescued in that moment, he could live 86 years more. So, time is very important. The Kal. Okay. The Kal, in the Hindi terms, the Kal means a brutal, worst period of life. If that unlucky period of time you escaped, then you have a bright future ahead. Yeah. So many times I hit suicidal thoughts. So many times. But I could conquer that fear because I was knowing what's my destiny. And my angels were always behind me. I was knowing what's my destiny, and so do the people you are watching me. So many people. In fact, my own best friend has, was committed suicide, but he got rescued. He himself told me he's my soulmate. Yeah, we have done the similar journey almost. I met my soulmate 1 year back, right now, from this moment 1 year back on social media. It's just instant connection that I got understood. We both are meant for each other for lifetime as a soulmate. Yeah. So if your twin flame rejects, your soulmate is always ready to help. And that's the reason I'm telling you, many divine feminines got multiple soulmate love options for marriage, and divine is supporting them. Because divine masculine is in the limbo situation. Is in this hanged man hermit mode. He's not moving his ass. He's not taking action. Though he got the alignment that she is my divine feminine. Or, take what resonate. So this is a collective really, my nose again started itching because I'm channeling. So this is a collective reading, guys. More than 53 minutes done. So I'm telling you, there is a angels, positive angels, souls who is working with me, and there is a negative demons. Okay, when Earth was not there, and the galaxy battles going on for one galaxy angels and another galaxy angels were fighting in the air, in the sky. Those angels are working with me, and those are demons. Archangel Lucifer, Archangel Lilith, she's a female. Yeah. Archangel Asmodeus, these are like names you will never find on any tarot card reader's name. Yeah, they are just copying it and faking it, but they don't know, they don't have a guts. Why I'm a nocturnal? Why I'm nocturnal and why I'm owl? All day night I'm awake, because during night I get a channel from the demons, from the devils, because devil also working with me to help me towards my path. So don't mess up with the wrong person, because I don't do anything. Whoever is eviling me and whoever is watching me and sending me negative eyes, know that I have underground people also working with me, and heaven people also working with me. Yeah. And if the ghost and tranquil spirits are sitting on your ass, it is a worst nightmare to live the life. I'm telling you. Yeah, because my haters, my ex people, okay, in the past people in this lifetime, they are suffering it right now. and this is fucking damn truth. I mind my words. So whenever the spiritual person you see around you, okay, take the healing and say thanks to them, and do not show jealousy. If you show 1% jealousy, you will backfire 100 times. Mind it. And you cannot handle the wheel of fortune reverse. Luck goes away. Jobless, moneyless, homeless, okay, loveless life. Everything goes away when you hit any spiritual person. Bad karma. Yeah. So know that you are protected. My spiritual people, my spiritual army, you are watching me out. Okay. Whoever my subscriber, they are dharmic, they are very spiritual. They are worshipping God Shiva, Lord Shiva, and specifically I am getting some saints in India like Sai Baba, okay, like God Jesus. This is my Lord Jesus card, Mother Mary card. Yeah, I'm also sensing Muhammad Pegambar. Why? I don't know why. Yeah, he's my. I'm fucking so proud. Yeah, people have diversified the religions. But spirituality tells only one thing. We all are one in the spiritual realm. Yeah, we all are humans after all. And I'm telling you, my active spirit, I have 7 active spirit guides. One is from Muslim religion, which is a Muhammad Pegambar. Because I saw 786 numbers like a crazily. Whenever I go and I just call, Muhammad ji, aap mere saath ho kya? Are you there with me right now? Please show me your presence. And boom, next moment I saw 786 everywhere, billboards, okay, motorcycle plate, car plates, bus numbers. Yeah, my mobile phone randomly notification, random number, call center executive, 786. What the fuck is going on with this? Yeah, this is damn truth. This is how universe and angels work with you. If you are spiritually aligned and if you have a bigger purpose in life to serve humanity, and don't doubt yourself. If you are serving, if you are a healer like me, we need to go through this physical transformation, a very bad spiritual physical transformation. Yeah, lot of anxiety, lot of hair fall like me, lot of body changes. Yeah, suddenly losing weight a lot, suddenly gaining weight a lot, because stress a lot, lot of nightmares, lot of heavy dreams, spiritual dreams. This forehead becomes super heavy. I got migraine attacks without having migraine. I got heart attacks because my soul is attached to DH, I mean my divine masculine. Yeah, so I got attack. I need to prevent my energy because people are attacking me energetically. So yeah, this is not a simple cheese. This is not a simple thing to become a healer. No, healer is the most, earth angel person who gone through each and everybody's anxiety. Yeah, so coming back to the point. So I told you, like, lot of angels around me and lot of angels are around you if you are doing worship regularly. Okay, if you are devoting your worship regularly, know that if you have a doubt, like where is the universe, why things are not happening in my life, why other people are succeeding in their life, do not judge yourself, do not compare. I'm warning you, because your spirit guides are working behind the scenes. Say thanks to them every single day. You need to practice gratitude. Okay, Ho'oponopono technique. Okay, I'm going to talk about each and every manifestation technique in my next video as well. You start doing, preaching this with full of your positivity and heart. Whoever God you prefer to pray next to you, just like rub this hand, create a positive energy, align your mind, body, soul together, and towards your heart center you need to be like this. I'm very proud of my culture, Hindu culture, because namaste and namaskar is only comes into our nature, our culture. Yeah, sorry. So this is like your heart center. Whenever you put your energy, your yin and yang energy, okay, you put here, your heart is aligned with the higher source. And whenever koi bhi dil se, this is a Hindi term, dil se pukaroge to sab milega. Yeah, whenever your voice is come from your heart, that is a pure voice. God will accept like this. Yeah, that's the reason law of attraction fails for many people, because they attach the expectations. Okay, they attach unnecessarily worries. Yeah, You need to be in a solitude, in a gratitude avatar, yeah, in the form of gratitude, yeah. So be thankful for the great nose. Be great, thankful for the beautiful eyes, eyebrows, hair, personality, face, yeah, skin, everything. You have two good hands, you have two good, limbs. You have everything is in sync. Yeah, you can able to talk, you can able to express. This is the most good feeling ever, yeah. So please be like this, like your hand should be like this, and every day inside your prayers, okay, you need to say this: I'm sorry, universe. Take a deep three breaths, please, first. I'm sorry, universe, please forgive me. Thank you so much, and I love you most. Thank you so much, I love you. Okay, these 4 lines you should repeat 108 times a day in the morning. Okay, specifically in the morning. Okay, after taking shower or after taking bathing, yeah, like this with the fresh. Put some ittar, put some rose ittar or perfume on your body to attract the manifestation powers, yeah. But you need to clean your heart. You need to understand who are you, what do you want, why are you here in this lifetime on this planet as a human being, the most fucking powerful creature in the world. Our brain is super fucking, can do any disaster and can do any miracle. Yeah, I'm a Libra North Node. I'm a new North Node in Libra. Okay, my North Node is in Libra. Bruce Lee has a North Node in Libra, and there are so other celebrities also. I'm telling you what Bruce Lee has done. Huh? The water is a fluid. Be like a fluid. Who has invented this definition? Bruce Lee. Yeah. Similarly, a human mind can do a disaster and can do a miracles. Decide today what you're gonna do with this, half kg, 1.5 kg brain, this half kg, the strongest, powerful creature, that is a brain. Yeah, spirit is saying to you, your third eye chakra is booming. Some of you, you are getting dreams, random weird dreams, and in the morning you wake up like, what the fuck is happening with me? Why these dreams are coming from? Where? Who are those people? High five. You are on the spiritual journey. You have a great purpose, and you're picking up other people's dreams also, yeah, to find out the deception. So in some of the group of twin flames, some twin flames are here to spread the love. They are very Mother Teresa like, very motherly. I am also having that kind of but I have a two duality. I have a multiple soul mission. Okay, I have a multiple soul mission. So I do not compare I do not compare myself with other divine feminines. Okay, I focus only on my twin flame journey. What is my cause? What I am here to do with my divine masculine. Okay, how can I improve myself day by day? Yeah, just give me 1 minute. Oof. Give me 1 moment, guys. This is a long reading, but I have to do it because this is a spirit channeling. Yeah. Oh fuck, I'm sweated completely. Give me 1 moment, guys. Yeah. So back to the reading. Yeah, so I'm here to give you enlightenment, give you the spiritual wisdom. Yeah, and it has nothing to do with my weight, figure, my face, my lifestyle, nothing. We all are like a souls. I treat like a soul. I never see that person is a Gujarati, Punjabi, Marathi or Bengali, never, or American or a London, never, NRI, never. I see only a transparent soul. Okay, I accept the people how they are, and I exactly pick up what needs to be fixed in them. Yeah, but you need to be very open-minded to accept a healing and teaching from me and an inspiration from me. Yeah, when you claim near under my this, I claim universe. When you write something, this reading goes to you. Okay, in the universe will hear your prayers. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm telling you, Lord Shiva is telling you to third eye chakra, because he has a third eye chakra activated. You know it. He's seeing entire planet with his only one eye. Yeah. So you need to do, I'm sensing a lot of people over here who is spiritually aligned, who is very healer kind of, though they are not a healer. See, healer means what? Even though if you are not in the healing profession, but you understood somebody else's problems, you understood, you can relate to their pain, okay? You can heal them with your words, with your condolences, yeah, with your presence. That means you are a healer, you are an empath, yeah. So I'm telling you, those people who doesn't necessarily need to practice Reiki healing or healing, NLP healing, or practice public speaking, or no. If you are a normal person but you understand the true emotions of animals' pain, and you go and do something for them, that means you are a healer, yeah. So for you, this message, definitely resonating, definitely, yeah, definitely, yeah. So guys, yeah, 9 of Cups, मैं बोल रही हूँ, Lord Shiva wants to reward you in the near future. Congratulations guys, and please be mindful your good karma, because each and every single cup, okay, I'm not a other tarot card reader like and I'm not putting down anybody, okay, please be no offense, okay. This each and every single cup is like a divine blessing to you, okay. I'm sensing a good karma, the 9 good karma you have done in the recent past, by feeding animals, by doing charity, by feeding beggars or underprivileged people, okay, by doing, okay, this thing, parental service, that is also good karma, okay. पेरेंट्स के पैर दबाना, उनको खाना खिलाना, उनको प्यार से पूछना, उनको सर्विस प्रोवाइड करना, प्रोवाइडिंग सर्विस टू योर पेरेंट्स इज ऑल्सो a biggest good karma, okay. Please don't have a grudge with your father, narcissistic father or a mother, or anybody, damn whoever you are. If your father is not treated you well in the past, or something like happened, please forgive him and forgive yourself. You need to heal your inner child wounds to attract this 9 of Cups in your life. This wish is already written in your stars, in already written your destiny, but divine will only give you once you are open to receive, with open mindedness and with open heartedness, with full of healing. So yeah, I'm sensing your heart chakra, this, my attention is going to this triangle, this angel here. Focus, please focus, this little triangle. So somebody is not, some spiritual people out there, you are ignoring your intuition, your gut feeling. This deck is here and this card has fallen out. I am having severe throat infection guys, but I am able to non-stop talk because of the divine power, yeah, because of the divine power, yeah. Whatever I speak is the damn fucking truth. This is my Archangel Michael card. This is the divine truth card. Ace of Sword. In the tarot deck, aces are only 4, and it is coming out of 78 cards. Yeah, I was shuffling in front of you only. So this is a fucking damn confirmation. Whatever the last 1 hour I'm speaking to you is meant to you. Listen to me. Yeah. Yeah, this is a divine clarity in your stuck situation. Do not sabotage, do not underestimate yourself. If you have some kind of artistic talent and your soul is calling to draw something, paint something, or do occult, or do horoscope reading, or do palmistry, or do some kind of a vlogging, vlogging, or kind of a passion which is like inbuilt passion, not just looking other people are doing reels so I have to do reels. No, this is not a passion. I'm going to make a vlog on that also, how to find your passion, yeah. Because I myself practiced 15 to 16 years to find a passion, so I'm telling you that also, yeah. Give me one moment. So another card on the I'm feeling like a queen on the red carpet, sending kisses to my divine angels. Yeah, this is in front of you guys. Two bloody aces. This is a new beginning card, new passion, and this is my passion card. So you are absolutely passionate person, whoever watching me, and you need to take a action towards your passions, your hobbies, which you love the most day and night. Okay, it could be a dancing, it could be serving people, it could be social work, it could be plantation trees. Okay, it could be feeding animals or to run a dog charity foundation. It could be anything. It could be, I'm sensing here Hare Ram Hare Krishna vibes over here a lot. If you are in an ISKCON temple servicing, absolutely know that the divine is giving you good karma. Whatever you are doing, good karma is giving you in a double way. This is 1 plus 1, 2. So expect 2 major blessings. If you are wanting a child, you will get a twins. If you are wanting to get married, you will get married and you will also succeed in your business together, or you will have a child very soon. 2 blessings coming in a shorter time. I'm sensing 2 to 3 months. For example, if you get married in August, highly chances to get a pregnant in September and October. And you cannot avoid this pregnancy because this is a divine blessing. This is meant to happen. So one after one blessings, I am sensing 2 to 3 blessings. Majorly 2 blessings in coming your way. Congratulations! I am very excited. When you are happy for other people, divine will happier more to you. Divine will send more wishes. So check your heart. If you are keeping a single % of jealousy, you will not get anything. I'm telling you, you need a healing. Okay, you need to work on yourself, inner self. So yeah, coming back to the reading again. My favorite. These 2 cards are my favorite. Okay, following your passion is utmost important. You love traveling, go explore, be a traveler, be a blogger, gain wisdom, share with people freely. This is a divine calling, fucking divine calling. Spirit wants me to tell you, I am literally chillifying, I am literally yelling at you. Please go and pursue your hobby, whatever your hobby, and do not compare with other. Do not compare yourself with other. Your journey is unique. Every damn person on this on this planet Earth is unique journey. That's why I'm coming back to the twin flame. Some sort of percentage, very few percentage of twin flame has made to spread, only love, compassion. Give me one moment, guys. Otherwise, people will, ouch. Yeah. So I'm sensing, So I'm sensing there are some group of people, soulmate, high vibrational. When they come together, major blessings comes together and major healing comes to the planet. So do not delay your blessings. Do not delay others' blessings. Yeah. Have you seen certain actors and directors when they got married, and after they got married, they create or they finance film movies, they create movies together, which was the blast Oscar winning, and that movies created a huge influence entire human planet in a positive way. We cannot able to forget those movies at all. It has that great impact when 2 souls come together. The Lover's card, the 2 of Cups. That's the reason you 2 are meant for each other to serve this human purpose. Yeah, if you are running and chasing each other and running away from each other, the time span is less. Yeah, you need to do a lot of work for humanity. So Lord Shiva is telling to visit Lord Shiva temple and seek blessing and start chanting Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, with a positivity, of course, because mantra chanting is very powerful. And if you by any chance pronounce differently, that mantra also gives you maleficious effects. For example, Mahamrutyunjay mantra, you can never ever spell or speak differently. The way the Brahman, the preachers, the spiritual teachers preaches Mahamrutyunjay mantra, that is correct. We normal human must not preach any damn random mantra, because that mantra has a power to manifest miracles, and that mantra also has the power to manifest disasters if you pronounce correctly or not correctly. Yeah, I'm telling you, Mahamrutyunjay mantra is very powerful. You should not preach like a damn, like, you know, no. You need to seek guidance from your highest spiritual preachers, yeah, teachers, preachers, and gurus, mentors. You know, in certain way only you can pronounce Hindu mantras. Remember one thing, yeah. You cannot preach anything. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. I never preached randomly. I talked to my gurus. Okay, my own religion gurus. They gave me mantra after attending certain baithak, after attending certain spiritual get together and meetings. Then only we are allowed in Sadguru, you know, in our Sadguru, you know, the meetings. Then only one whole year I attended more than 36 times that 3 hours a spiritual the spiritual get together for that you know, teaching. And then I got the powerful mantra allowance to, you know, chant this mantra. Okay, so do not, yeah, yes, what did I told you? You are fucking manifester of your life. My spiritual community, divine is with yours. The all powers are working besides you. All powers. This is a fucking damn truth. Yeah. So now you are, whatever you are thinking, it is manifesting in reality. So check your thoughts. If you are obsessively, if you are manifesting your crush or somebody else crush, this give you bad karma. I'm telling you. You should know that person is having the feelings for you or not. If not, then stop chasing that person. This is nowhere going. Okay? Going nowhere. And it will only create a bad karma in your life, in your spiritual bank account. I'm always telling you, focus on your spiritual bank accounts rather than just being money obsessed. Okay? Because when you focus on your soul's passion, your joint mission, or whatever your higher purpose, your spiritual bank accounts, then automatically your financials also going to, you know, increase. Yeah. So do not allow bad karma in your life. I'm telling you. Do not purposely manifest another person wife. This is happening. I'm sensing a lot of wives, these energies. Okay. Extramarital affairs. Worst. If that person is not meant for you, is not meant for you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Yeah? I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Yeah. So that's it for all, you know, today. Okay. Thank you so much for watching me out. And if you want my healing, my blessing, if you want to be part of my spiritual bank account, you need to subscribe this channel. Yeah? Don't just view and take away my energy, because that is also bad karma increasing. Whenever I'm telling you the damn fucking truth on my channel, okay, if I subscribe another tarot card reader channel, I make sure if I watch her or you know, his account or his any post, I press like. Only for positive things, huh? I press like. I did not watch video full, but I go and press thumbs, because if I'm watching, means that person has served me somewhere. Yeah. So that's the reason I'm watching it out. So I'm taking that person's energy. This is a selfishness. If you do not hit the like or do not subscribe, this is a selfishness, and this is also a bad karma for yourself. I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm not giving warning or threatening anybody. This is the damn truth. I'm telling you. I do not subscribe any Tom, Dick and Harry's channel. And if I subscribe, I make sure I liked all the videos. If I come across those notification, and if I watch the video, okay, I do not randomly ignore any person whose videos or whose channel or whose accounts I subscribed. Okay, I make sure that equal reciprocation has to be happened, because I don't want to disturb my spiritual bank account. It will hamper my divine masculine family as well, and him as well, and my entire family as well, my next generation as well. So remember one thing, your spiritual energy is a currency. No money. No money. I seen people crying under shower, longing for a true love. I seen people, my own divine masculine cries. When I cries, I understood who cries. So yeah, I pick up my neighbor's energy also. When she is upset, frustrated, my health goes disturbed because she's just away from me. Yeah, she's just 2 meters away from me. So I need to protect my energy, and I need to cleanse out a lot and declutter myself a lot. Yeah, so guys, I'm telling you the truth. Okay, whoever you are following or stalking, if you are not subscribed, or if you are putting any bad negative energy unintentionally, not even intentionally, many people are like poor souls out there. Many people are suffering through traumas, and they are constantly looking for a healing. Okay, but they got jealous also if somebody else is succeeding. I never got jealous. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you, at the age of 33, I'm hitting 33 in the month of August. Okay, 13 August is my birthday. Okay, you can wish me on my channel and send me blessings and donations if you like this. And if you're watching it out, so definitely I've shared my energy to you. Yeah, so I'm open to receive gifts. I'm open to receive bouquet flowers. I love flowers, specifically red roses. Okay, and sunflowers. Okay, who's having a very good nice, and marigold, that is also my favorite. Jaswanda, like hibiscus flower. I love hibiscus flowers as well. So if you want to wish to donate me a cup of coffee, so you can please go ahead, and Instagram channel link is below down. You can subscribe my service also. Yeah, purchase my service also, which is just one question for rupees 499. I'm taking personal reading as well, because I want to support my channel. I want to support my passion. I'm currently going through a lot of issues, financial issues. I know that this is a temporary, and I'm very positive. Okay, I'm very spiritually stable person. Nothing can hit my foundation. Nobody, no single relationship, not even my divine masculine. Okay, though I am a soul level attached with him. Yeah, his name came, and he came. Yeah, so I'm very passionate. This is my card as well, because I am a Leo person, Sagittarius person. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius card. You need to take up the action towards your goal. Just now I told you, towards your passion. Find out your passion, and if you have already find it out, start taking a side hustle towards them. That is a Lord Shiva strong message for you. And some people out there crying that they are not getting married, or they are getting delayed, know that there is abrupt ending towards this current past life. Yeah, there is abrupt, expected, a very positive manifestation coming in your life. You soon going to find your soul tribe, your soulmate family. Okay, or a soul co-workers. Yeah, soon you are going to receive some kind of a work offer. Yeah, from some Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Okay, majorly Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person in the chart. And do let me know if my readings resonated with you, so that I can confirm third time by your feedback and suggestion that my intuition is on right point, and so that I can come up with the random messages and for you. Yeah, King of Swords, this is my energy. Okay, I'm fucking truth speaker. Always all the kings comes out in my readings, because I pursue a strong divine masculine energy. And in my twin flame also, my twin flame is in the feminine energy, and I am the action taker, goal oriented person in the love relationship factor. Yeah, so all kings comes out whenever I speak. So this is you also. Okay, yeah, entrepreneur. Okay, I'm sensing that justice karma. I just saw karma. Okay, so please wait and watch out for my third party drama next video, which is coming tomorrow again. Today is the 16th June. Today is almost 17th June started as per IST, Indian Standard Time, and on 18th June I'm coming up with the third party drama. If you are dealing with any kind of spiritual connection, okay, high vibrational and mutual connection. Okay, so the love feelings could be should be mutual between two of you. And if this connection is not going to further stuck somewhere in a limbo situation, only those people will resonate in my next reading. Yeah, so that's it for today. Jai Sadguru. Thank you so much for watching, and whoever religion you belongs to, welcome. I'm a very spiritual person. I treat equally. Okay, and I have a soul calling to uplift the spirituality, spiritual people. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching me out, and let me know how it resonated with you, and I'm open for all type of blessings from you. Thank you so much. Yeah, God bless you. Healing, take the healing. Yeah, thank you.